Hi guys, welcome to a new video where today I'll be analyzing with you a new meme token that supposedly has a lot of connections with Trump's new WLFI token, which, as you can see, was launched, let's say, around the beginning of September. So far, its price is more or less in the accumulation zone, or we could say around a 30% drop from the initial launch. But let's see what this is really about. As you can see, the project is called Liberlaunch Labs, or their token LBLS, if I read it correctly, a token that is currently in its pre-sale phase. That means, as usual, we can now buy it at what we'd call a cheap price, because it's predicted that once it gets listed on an exchange, the price could go much higher, and we could profit from that. For example, the Hi-Fi token had a massive price pump of even 900% at one point. Many people made money on that token, but many also lost money trading it. Just yesterday, we had a great trade where we took profit during this price dip, but the point is that this token had a huge price pump just 2 or 3 days ago, and profits could have been taken there too. That's the goal. To see if this token can also potentially bring us profits if the right momentum comes along. As you can see, we are currently in what we could call the second phase, and so far they've raised about $2 million from investors. That means the market cap is still very small, which is why it has potential, especially since they themselves mentioned that this token is linked with the WLFI token. In short, Liberlaunch is a type of meme token first and foremost, but also a project where, on their launch platform, you'll be able to analyze potential rug pull scams. You know what a rug pull is, right? That's when someone launches a token, its price shoots up quickly, and then there's a sudden massive sell-off, usually a 90% drop, and that's it, your money is gone. So here, you'll actually be able to scan the contract address of any token, and their smart tool will immediately tell you if it's a rug pull or not, or if it's maybe a meme token with some potential. That's one of the benefits of this token. Though honestly, when you say meme token, it usually doesn't go hand in hand with having some real utility. But fine, they've listed a lot of details on their website, phase 1, 2, 3. Right now we're in phase 2, and if I'm not mistaken, there are 100 billion tokens in circulation. From that, 20% goes to staking, 40% to product development, 5% to the team, and only 10% to marketing. So that's how it looks, with the slogan "No rug anymore", meaning you won't be scammed by a rug pull or sudden price crash. But, as we saw with Hi-Fi, which wasn't really a rug pull, even after that massive price pump, it later dropped by 50-60%. In crypto, that's how it works. There's no guarantee that once a token gets listed, its price won't also crash. What we can do now, if we want, is buy this token at the current price of $0.0003. That's quite a good entry price. And as I often say, this is the scenario we want to see. Usually, when we invest, the goal is to buy cheap and then sell once the price pumps, and take profit on that move. That's the whole point, so I won't go deeper into this token. You'll find my link in the video description if you want to buy this token in the pre-sale right now, or if you just want to check out more information. That's completely up to you. Finally, if you want to invest or store both crypto and also stocks, ETFs, meaning if you want to have everything in one single platform, you can buy and hold all those important investments. As you can see, there are already popular cryptos available like Avantis, whether in euro or dollar, Concordium, Wallspeed, Badger, DAO, and many more. This is on the Bitpanda exchange. On one platform, I repeat, you can manage all important assets, crypto, stocks, ETFs, metals, all in one place. It's an excellent exchange for the EU region, regulated and verified. They even have their own Vision token if you want to buy it. So when it comes to Bitpanda, a strong recommendation from me. If you don't already have an account there, you'll see even Trump's token is already available, as well as many other new tokens on the market that you can buy and store. They even have their own Bitpanda card. Lots of useful benefits for users who are into crypto, stocks, and so on. You'll find all the important links in the video description, including the link to my free Telegram group, and we'll see each other in the next video.